Okay, friends, we have already seen how we can set up the TypeScript in a basic way. So now we are going to see how we are going to set up the TypeScript in Node.js. It is going to be very minimal, but it is going to have only one root, and then you can develop based on the root what we do here. Okay, so let me do one by one. So we have to first configure the tsconfig.json file. So Node.js users, you have to change the module as common.js. Node.js uses this for module code generation methods. Okay, so and then I'm going to take this root directory out. Let's delete all these folders. Let's delete the source folder also. And I'm going to delete the index.tsl also. Okay, so now let's configure this compiler options in tsconfig.json. So first I have done this module. The second thing I have to change is es module interoperability. So this has to be true. And then third one is target. So the target should be let it be the same year 2016. And then this is the output language level. Okay, and then module resolution. So module resolution, so this is going to be node. Okay, module resolution helps the compiler figure out what an import refers to. Okay, so the value node mimics the node module's resolution mechanism. Okay, so next I'm going to change the output directory. So let's have this as dist. Okay, and then I need to change the source map. So this will create map files. Then library is going to be ES 2016. Okay, that's it. And then you have to install Express. Let's clear this. npm install Express. Let's save this. And then we're going to install types express. npm install setter types express. So both the dependencies are here. Now we are going to create a folder here. So source folder. Inside the source folder, I'm going to create a new file called app.ts. So app.ts is going to be the main contact for. Then in the package.json, let's change this index.js file to our source / app.js. Now inside this app.js, I'm going to import Express. Express. Then constant app is equal to express. Then let the port be 3000. Now app.get if get request comes on the root, then you can have request and response. So response dot send. Hey, I'm configured. And then let the app listen to port, and if the port hits, let's have console.log. Express is running port. Let's have the backticks. And then we'll have the port variable. That's it. So now we go here and run the tsc. So it created this folder. Inside the this folder you have app.js and app.js.map. Okay, so if you open this is a JavaScript file, and this is a map file. Okay, so now you can run the app.js. So node dist app.js. So this will be listening the port 30. If you open the browser, localhost, and then port 3000, and you can see the message here, hey, I'm configured. Okay, so this is running perfectly. And now we have to configure the eslint for this node project. So for that you have to run npm install save the eslint. Okay, and then you'll have to initialize this project as eslint init. So how would you like to use the eslint? So I'm going to use this for syntax and finding problems. And what type of modules does your project use? JavaScript modules, import, export, that is fine. And which framework does your project use? We don't use any framework here. This is Node.js, so none of this. And then does your project use TypeScript? No, no, yes. So again, yes. Where does your code run? So the code runs in Node. Okay. And then what format do you want your config file to be in? So it should be in JavaScript. That's it. Yes. And it's run in npm. So it's installing eslints and everything. So you'll get an eslint JS file. So this is the eslint file. And then if you want to run the eslint, then the command is npx eslint, the current directory, and then ext extension. The extension is TypeScript file. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to have the package.json source JPG. Yes, main will be source app.js. Then we'll have start. we'll have tsd running on the start, and then we'll have the node dist app.js file running on the start. Okay, so and then for the lint, eslint dot ext extension dot ts. So that's it. So now if you go here, if you do npm start, it will be listening. So if you change anything in the app, this is agile, and you push this, come out, and again it's changed, and then it shows the Express is running in port 3000, and then you can also use the lint from here, npm run lint. So I have given lint here, so use lint will work. So that's it. Now the node is configured perfectly. The project is configured perfectly. Thank you.